Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to check out the Weber Q1200 Liquid Propane Grill, seen here in red. Although, if you like a different color, it's available in green, black, blue, orange, and titanium. Wow. It's got the Amazon's Choice endorsement. It has over 4,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.8 out of 5 stars, which is very high for that many ratings. It has porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates, a cast aluminum lid and body, and it's 24.5 inches long by 20.5 inches wide and 40.9 inches tall, and weighs in at 26 pounds. The single stainless steel burner produces 8,500 BTUs per hour of heat, and it has 189 square inches of total cooking area. It's got a built-in lid thermometer, folding side tables, a glass reinforced nylon frame, and removable catch pan. It also has an easy start electronic ignition system and infinite control burner valve settings. And this one uses disposable 14.1 or 16.4 ounce LP cylinders, which are sold separately. And it comes fully assembled right out of the box. Nice. But if you ever need to disassemble it, it has 3D interactive assembly instructions available through the free Built app. Now let me share with you a nice review from a verified purchaser. I purchased this grill after using my old tabletop grill for 10 years. My only regret was not buying this grill 8 years ago. The grill is primarily used when we travel with our RV. It's the perfect size to stow away and then use when we need it on the road. This grill gets extremely hot and cooks fast with even heat. One of my favorite design features is the bottom of the grill does not get smoking hot, so you can set it on picnic tables and other surfaces without it damaging them from the extreme heat. My old grill actually bubbled the bed liner on my truck tailgate. Ooh. I like this grill so much I'm considering using it at home as my primary grill since we rarely cook for more than 4 people. The last time I used it, I put 4 steaks on it in fairly windy conditions and it performed with no problems. The electric igniter works great and is a nice touch. I think the only thing I'm going to purchase is the assembly cord so I can hook it to large propane cylinders instead of using the portable 1-pound bottles. Well, that is helpful. Sounds like people are loving this for its portability and its cooking power for its size. So there you go. Pick up this fantastic grill in red as seen here or in any of the other colors, and you can get them with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping. The Cuisinart Propane 54-inch full-size 4-burner gas grill. It's the CGG-7400. It's got about 2,000 ratings on Amazon, an Amazon's Choice endorsement, and a rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. Excellent. Cuisinart also makes several other fantastic grills, so if you're interested in something with a little different specifications, check those out on the listing as well. And this one is also available with Amazon Prime, which means free delivery. Awesome. It's got heavy-duty cast iron cooking grates, a stainless steel lid. It has 4 full-size gas burners. It's 54 by 22 by 46 inches tall and has 11,000 BTUs per burner, which gives you a total of 44,000 BTUs of cooking power. The cooking space is 443 square inches with an additional 167 on the warming rack. And those cast iron cooking grates are great for retaining heat. It also has an 18 by 13 side prep table, which provides ample space for food prep. It's got the stainless steel lid and control panel, and the grill utilizes a drip tray to collect grease and drippings. There's a 4-foot LP hose to connect the grill to a 20-pound propane tank, which is not included. And finally, don't forget about the 3-year warranty. And now let me share with you a helpful review from a verified purchaser. Ordered in November for Christmas for my husband, but really wanted for myself. No problem putting it together, just took some time. Used it yesterday to make a big batch of meatballs for the freezer. It started right up, and I'm glad I can cook bacon or hamburger without stinking out my kitchen. So there you have it. It's nice to see Cuisinart entering the grill game. I've always been a fan of their mixers. So if you're interested in this grill, order one today. You can get it with free shipping with Amazon Prime. I think you're gonna love it. The Royal Gourmet GB8000. It's an 8-burner liquid propane event grill. Powered by propane gas, it's great for barbecues, picnics, camping, and parties. Seen here in black. And if you like Royal Gourmet but think 8 burners is a little too much, you can also get this one in 4 burners. And they package it with a griddle or with a cover as well, so you can check out those different listings. If you want to get it with Amazon Prime, that means free delivery for you, which is nice. And this has about 330 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. Very cool. So it's got 8 stainless steel tube burners with 13,000 BTUs each, which totals 104,000 BTUs of cooking power. It supports a gas system which includes 2 sets of regulators for stable, even flames, and 950 square feet of cooking surface, with the wire cooking grates being 1/4 inch in diameter. So you can grill more than 60 burgers or 120 hot dogs at once. It features an integrated folding windscreen to protect grilling, an electronic ignition system which offers a reliable spark with every push, 2 large capacity grease cups underneath the firebox which helps grilling last a long time, and a draw-out oil catch pan for easy cleaning. There's 2 folding side tables which offer additional prep and workspace, and 2 levels of heavy-duty shelves which provides sufficient storage space. It's also got 4-inch lockable caster wheels for easy moving. And this thing is ideal for big events in your company, church, school, restaurant, or even commercial use. And LP tanks are not included, by the way. Now let me share with you a nice review from a verified purchaser. We used this for our American Legion Memorial Day brat fry, and it performed fabulously. We were able to cook 500 brats and 300 hamburgers, and it did not have hot spots. It was perfect. Awesome. Well, there you go. You can get this in time for Memorial Day if you order, and don't forget you can get it with Amazon Prime, which means free delivery even. So order one today. I know you're gonna love it.